What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video, let's learn how to fix National Lottery app not working. If your National Lottery app is not working, immediately restart your device. Now go ahead, restart, and if it were the technical error, your application might open now, so go ahead and launch it. Another thing you could try is heading over to your Play Store and simply search for National Lottery application. So for example, I'm going to search for an application. Let's say Facebook. If you see update just beside your National Lottery application, select update and update your app. Now next thing you could try is long tap onto your National Lottery app, tap on the I button. Now from here, scroll below, go for storage, and simply clear the cache. Once you've done that, come back onto App Info page, select Force Stop, then select OK. Now see if your National Lottery application works. If it's still not working, then simply try uninstalling the app, reinstalling again, and it will work. Thanks for watching.